Biden. So this is where I think it takes on a completely different element of, as I say, having legs, and it's going to be a topic of greater interest. For some time, this has been a story that the Wall Street Journal, Fox News, Newsmax, and others covered rather enthusiastically, but now it is absolutely moving into prominence in the so-called mainstream media. In fact, NBC reported late last night that federal prosecutors are considering 4 possible indictments against Hunter Biden. There are 2 misdemeanor charges concerning tax payments, as well as 1 felony charge for tax evasion and another for unlawful acquisition of a firearm, which is so incredibly ironic. The administration clearly has concerns about firearms in the hands of criminals. Ooh. And here's a guy, and again, I don't say this to be sarcastic, rude, or pejorative, but Mr. Hunter Biden has a host of problems. He is a criminal. He is a felon. It's right there for everybody to see. Not unlike other, wayward, not terribly bright, criminally behaving people. He has put his conduct on the record for everybody to see. So the bottom line through all of this is Hunter Biden was given special treatment, and it is increasingly likely that this whistleblower has the proof. So on a related news, the Biden campaign played an active role in suppressing Hunter Biden's laptop story. And there's some pretty good information on that now in terms of congressional testimony. There's some things, some good stories written on this, very good coverage in the National Review. So this, I find this to be something that it's not going to go away. It is not just the fodder for the people who represent the opposing side of the great political divide of President Biden. This is absolutely moving into mainstream, and I think as a result of that, people who don't try to consume a balance of information from different sources are going to, for the first time, be exposed to some of the horrible behavior that this represents. And for what it's worth, on a personal level, I'm not incapable of feeling empathy for the Biden family, because I think this guy Hunter is an absolute train wreck. He is. Now, there's some assertions and maybe evidence, because we haven't seen any horrific behavior of late. And as I referenced earlier, when he's trying to guide his father on his Ireland tour, it seemed as though he was in pretty good control of his faculties. But his conduct has been egregious and way beyond the pale of any kind of normal benign, mischievous shenanigans that somebody may become engaged in. This guy had serious problems, and the whole laptop situation that was written off as something that just doesn't hold water in terms of Russian misinformation being put out by Putin at all. That just does not. It's not going to work. It's not going to survive legitimate questions from people who should have, as a part of the manner in which they approach their business, should have a very strong, insatiable appetite and curiosity about the facts of this. And I think this is not going to go away. We'll see what comes of it in the coming weeks. And of course, the big announcement is supposed to be coming from the president next Tuesday. You got thoughts on it? 800-834-1530. 800-834-1530. Your call's coming up. Come away.
On your car radio, also at work, and at home, and on our free iHeartRadio app. Just say, Alexa, Google, Siri, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
KFBK, Sacramento News Radio.
Chance to win $1,000.
True.
As inflation continues to take a bite out of your finances.
Inflation compensation.
Listen for your keyword to win before the news at the bottom of the hour.
What's this? You're going to love it.
Just by listening to KFBK.
Remember the Hang In There poster from the 1970s? Well, we all know the image of that kitten would not play well in 2023. But Mike Lester of Talent Wealth also knows that hanging in there is not best for your retirement accounts, especially if you're close to or already retired. You need a written plan based on your goals, along with active wealth management of your assets. Unfortunately, not all advisors offer that, or they're not true fiduciaries that focus on what's best for each individual. But Talent Wealth is. Call for a no-charge comprehensive financial plan and compare how your portfolio has been doing to what Talent's actively managed portfolios have done. Plus, the comprehensive financial planning process will also reveal DashCam.com.
LLC. Investing in stock markets involves the risk of loss, and there is no guarantee that all or any capital invested will be repaid. Performance is not a guarantee of future results. California license 0N00228. Documents are compensated for this message. Honey, is your car still in warranty?
No, not anymore.
My sister just got an extended service plan from Ox Car Care.
Near
Yeah,
fell.
Ox will cover our repair bills if anything
Right.
happens to our car, new brakes,
Fell.
transmission, AC, or engine problems. Plus, Ox Car Care offers free oil changes, tire rotation, and roadside assistance.
Wait a minute, we made nothing no more there. Oxygen 6-4, free oil changes, free tire rotation, and
I don't know how that's unplugged.
what's the number?
800-296-3315. Up to the 30-day money-back guarantee and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. They handle their claims from start to finish, unlike other warranty companies. We can call now. 800-296-3315.
The last thing we need is an unexpected car repair bill. I'm calling Ox Car Care now. Ox Car Care for your free quote. 800-296-3315. Ask about senior and military discounts. Ox covers commercial car owners too. Get stuck with a major car repair bill. Call Ox Car Care. 800-296-3315. Sacramento Tax Resolution helps you file your delinquent tax returns. They'll help you negotiate a fair settlement plan, and they'll get you back into good standing with the IRS. Sacramento Tax Resolution. Give them a call, 916-619-3220. Please let them know Pat Walsh sent you. Here's the free iHeartRadio app. This is Lars James from Metallica here, and this is iHeartRadio. What's up? This is Mike Snow. Free iHeartRadio app. Start the world and have to give you a call today. Good luck, news, traffic, and weather. KFBK, Sacramento's news radio. 93.1 FM, 1530 AM, and everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. At 3:30, I'm John Bernanke with your top stories on KFBK News Radio. The Supreme Court is expected to issue its ruling on access to a commonly used abortion pill before the end of the day. The decision is set to come after the court extended a temporary stay on a Texas federal judge's ruling to halt production and distribution of mifepristone. Conservative radio host Larry Elder is announcing that he is running for president in 2024. He won the most votes of any candidate in the effort to recall California Governor Gavin Newsom in 2021. And the champs claw one back. The Kings are now up 2-1 in their playoff series after the Warriors beat them in San Francisco last night. Warriors fans are happy.
Excellent. This is awesome. This is Rourke Cummins here. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to watch this all night.
Steph, Clay, and company showed what they've been doing all season on Thursday night, playing much better at home than on the road. Stephen Curry led Golden State with 36 points in the 114-97 victory. De'Aaron Fox led all team scores with 26 points. Game 4 is Sunday in San Francisco. Traffic and weather together. Here's Dana Hess.
Hey, this report is sponsored by Gilmore Heating, Air, and Plumbing. Southbound 99 Broadway, we have a 2-vehicle accident there, and it looks like we got somebody on the shoulder running towards the center line. Don't know exactly what's going on there at southbound 99 just south of Broadway. And there's still slow traffic, as I said, actually through the Vacaville area, Dixon on Eastbound 80, also in Davis, starting at Old Davis Road as they cross the causeway, and eastbound Cap City, just basically doing the Cap City crawl all the way through Midtown to get to Cal Expo. And when you call Gilmore Air and
That was a stop sign.
Gilmore Heating, Air, and Plumbing, you always
boy.
get more with Gilmore. Receive 0% financing for up to 12 months when you purchase a new high-efficiency home comfort system from Gilmore Heating, Air, and Plumbing. Schedule online today, GilmoreAir.com. Traffic on the 10, every 10 minutes, morning to afternoon. Dana Hess,
Damn, it's
KFBK News
fucking
Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM. One of the warmest weather days so far this year as we're looking at sunshine and blue skies, a high of 82 to 86. Clear to partly cloudy then tonight, low 55 to 59. I'm AccuWeather's meteorologist Jeff Nordine on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
80 degrees now in Sacramento. John Bernanke, KFBK News Radio.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happened on KFBK News Radio, Sacramento's news, traffic and weather station.
Great news from Billings RV. You see at Billings RV, all remaining 2022 models must go, so no reasonable offer will be refused. Simple as that. Just find a model you want and make a reasonable offer. BLE's RV will make it happen. And tell them John McGinnis sent you.
Growing a business brings pressure. It's not easy to maintain momentum and still keep employees engaged. Fortunately, there's Insperity. The scalable HR solution helped me with hiring, training, HR administration, and compliance while giving my employees competitive benefit options. When my
Wait,
people are
you're
able to
fucking broke
thrive,
off.
my business can adapt and prosper. With Insperity, nothing seems impossible. Insperity, HR that makes a difference.
The wait is over. Made a Subaru has a great selection of new Subarus in stock, more arriving daily, and big savings on all of them. And you can
I'm not dealing with the mirror breaking off the car, which is freaking annoying.